Excitement building up in Mauritius ahead of the arrival of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who will arrive in the island nation on a 2-day state visit on Tuesday. The visit marks the second occasion when PM Modi will attend the National Day of Mauritius as the chief guest, the first being in 2015. The excitement is palpable, with final preparations underway for the high-profile event. The Indian diaspora, that forms about 70% of the population of the country, is elated at the visit of the Prime Minister of India.
We are going to perform a welcome song on his honor and a folk dance.
Mauritius is considered to be a small India. So here, just like India, we celebrate Holi, Diwali, Mahashivratri. Right. So we are very happy to welcome Modi ji here.
Tied by a living bridge of the Indian diaspora, both India and Mauritius share a very close relationship, which is built on mutual trust and cooperation. India is amongst the largest trading partners of Mauritius. Mauritius is the second largest source of FDI into India during FY 23-24, with US dollars 44.4 billion inflows. In 2021, India and Mauritius signed a comprehensive economic cooperation and partnership agreement. 11 Indian PSUs are operational in Mauritius. Mauritius is one of the largest beneficiaries of Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation Program. India has traditionally been the first responder for Mauritius in times of crisis, including during the recent COVID-19, Wakashio oil spill crises, and Cyclone Chido. Meanwhile, Mauritius has been a key partner in India's diplomatic outreach. In 2024 alone, Mauritius played a crucial role in multiple high-level engagements, including the Raisina Dialogue, the India-Africa Conclave, and the G20 Summit, where it co-launched the Global Biofuels Alliance alongside India.
This visit is very high on symbolism. It is also very high in terms of our substantive outcomes and content. Because this is a truly special relationship. This relationship has evolved into a modern partnership which is very multifaceted. So Mauritius is our partner in terms of our interest in the Indian Ocean region. It is a maritime security partner. We have a development partnership relationship with Mauritius.
Both the nations share close cooperation in various fields, including maritime security, development partnership, capacity building, cooperation in international fora, vibrant cultural exchanges, people-to-people ties. Cultural and educational exchanges also form a key aspect of the relationship, with nearly 70% of Mauritians tracing their roots to India. Institutions like the Mahatma Gandhi Institute play a crucial role in strengthening historical and cultural connections.
As Mauritius readies itself to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his second state visit to the country, there are high hopes and expectations that both the countries are going to take their relationships, be it economical, cultural, traditional or trade relations, to a new, unprecedented level. With camera person Mahesh Sharma from Port Louis in Mauritius, Akshay Dongre, Lead India.